I've been welding since I was 6 years old.
Anything that is critical has a weld in it.
Because we have a full range of products, welding equipment and consumables, brazing and cutting, we can offer our customer a complete solution.
If someone's trying to accomplish a weld-on pipe, they team up with us and we lead them in the right direction.
It's not just about putting powder onto a piece of electrode. This is a technology story.
The consistency of our products enables our customers to have high integrity in their applications.
You can't be around for more than 100 years unless you take care of your customers and take care of your people.
The foundation of the Lincoln Brothers has taught us to have integrity about our product, about our morals, about how we work.
There is a real brotherhood between Lincoln employees. It doesn't matter whether we're Dubai or France or Australia.
Everyone feels like we're part of the solution.
We'll take any project, but we really like the tough ones.
We are learning as we go. That's what innovation is all about.
Whether it's the cars that people drive, the airplanes that people fly in, the bridges that they cross every day, we're making this world a safer place.
My family is Lincoln. My children want to grow up to be welders and engineers and travel the world.
Discover Lincoln.
Discover Lincoln Electric.
I love it. I love red and black.